when we get to the well you see it pumping like that, open it. Always remember, open it from this side, the small side.
Right here?
Yeah, see, because this side right here. So you're going to do the moorland, you're going to find the moorland, which is going to be...
Right there.
Mm-hmm. And right now I'll tell you.
Like this, I'm going to write like this.
Yeah, in front of the name right here,
Mm-hmm.
when we get here, if you see it running, you put an R and you circle it right in front of the name. So you know it's running, make sure it's circle.
Okay.
But which one you're going to put on?
Right here.
Yeah, because that's the moorland. That's right.
Running. Breakfast. I'm stalking my dog. Let's try to get at least, let's say, 50 likes. I think. And 5 subscribers. Chuko. Look that, watch.
Okay, next